Good morning and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Godwin Tech once again today. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create or add index in Word document. If you're a writer or maybe a user of Microsoft Word document, there may be a time that you would like to add index at the end of the document, but you don't know how to go about it. That is what I'm going to walk you through in today's video. So the first step, open your Word app, fill it with content just like the one that is here. This is about 27 pages. Then after filling with words and other illustrations, if possible, if applies, then you take another step to do what? To create your index. For you to create index, the first thing is you highlight your keywords, because what is contained in the index section are keywords, okay, or terms. The essence of index is so that when somebody is looking for that particular term, you know the page to get it without any stress. So let me start by numbering this page first. Insert page number, bottom. Okay, I think I have page numbers here. Okay, so you must have numbered your document first of all before anything. Now I'll be going from heading to heading and pick my key points or my key terms that will appear in the table of contents. So for example, now in this sample, it's all about how to use Google Drive mobile app. Okay, maybe somebody may need like, okay, let me get some information about Apple iPhone. So this is a term, I can highlight it, go to references tab, then I'll mark it as entry. Click on mark all. Okay, close. Now when I do this thing automatically opens the paragraph. You understand? On the paper, on the document. It doesn't matter, keep on doing what you're doing. This is the Google Drive mobile app interface. Okay, I may feel like, okay, let me just pick a term here that the reader may be looking for. Into photo, okay. And just okay. How to access tabs. I can say menu button. I highlight this. Click on mark entry. Mark all. Then close. Go to another heading. The settings. I can decide, okay, let me mark this because someone may be looking about settings in Google Drive. Okay, mark entry and then close. So these are the steps. Okay, I have upgrade here. Okay, get storage button or get storage. This is another term I may decide to mark as entry. So mark or close. So you can see now I have marked few keywords. Because of time, let me not continue to go about that. You can see I have marked a lot of keywords here in this document. Then I go to the last page. I can return this document to the normal so that these paragraphs will not be showing again. So I go to home tab. Then you see this P here, show paragraph or hide, show or hide. Click on it. All these paragraphs will hide. You see, you can't see them again and again. So that's it. I can create my title here. I heading here index. Okay. just index. Enter, then highlight it. So this is the index. People know that this is the index section of my document. Okay. Then it's now time to insert the index in this section, in this part of the document. The next step is for me to click on what? References tab. Then look for insert index. You can see the button here, the command. Then hit the insert index. Then it will give me some options, the kind of index I want to create. So I can say, okay, under format, let me choose a particular format. Classic, still fine. But let me select another one. So it's a choice to make. Okay, let me go with fancy. All right, I like using this kind of table of, sorry, this kind of index in my document. So once I select the format of the index I need, then here you can change the column, whether I want the column one to be 2 columns or 3 columns or 1 column. But I like using 2 columns, okay? Then click on the OK button. As you can see, some index I highlighted, sometimes I marked as entry in the document have now appear in my index. Example, you remember when I mark Apple iPhone, all right, as an entry. So it's in page 1 of this document. So and so many other things. So these are just the few steps you have to take to add index in your Word document. Thank you.